Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me a video where somebody created this shape and they couldn't quite figure out what to do or how they did it. And it's kind of unique. So I thought I'd just make my own video. I'm going to draw a square. I'm going to go up to object and convert it to a curve. You've got to do all these steps. Select all the nodes and go right here to convert those to curves. And then you got to select one node, and right up here is a deal that says skew or rotate nodes. And then grab that node and just turn it around and have it snap to there. That's all that's to it. Make it a little smaller. Control D, holding down the control button and do that. Control D, hold down the control button with the two-sided arrow and do that. And then you can fill in each individual color, or if you do this, look, it only fills in those two parts. And it's just part of the way it's, like this is the object, this is a missing space. So you could, trying to pick another color. You could still fill in that spot. You'd have to use the Smart Fill tool, and let's just fill in the parts with different colors. And you get that effect. So there's nothing really hard about it. They just couldn't quite, they were missing a step. Because a lot of times, people don't talk, which is good. Fine. But so you got to go through the steps, convert it all to a curve, then take your nodes and select all the nodes and convert all the nodes into a curve. And then it's right up here, but a lot of people don't look for it. Select that node and then rotate and skew and just take that and just bring it around. See, you even get a different effect when you don't do something right. And you get that right there. And you could, there's a lot of possibilities of that right there. Anyway, I hope that answered their question, and thank you for watching.